I will show you how to delete your Airbnb account in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So this process is very easy and it's the same process on computer or phone application. So in my case, I'm using the Airbnb website, but you can use the phone application as well to delete your account. So all you need to do is log into your account, then click right here on your profile, go to account, and right here you might see this button which says need to deactivate your account. Take care of that now. But if it doesn't appear, you can go to privacy right here to the privacy setting, and you will see on the data category you can see delete your account, which will permanently delete your account and all your data. So you can click right here and fill the information to proceed and delete your account. So in my case, I'm not gonna delete mine, but that's the process you need to follow. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.